For today's topic, we're going to go through a ToteScan quick start. Now in this video, you're seeing an example of our peel and stick labels. Those are available on Amazon, Walmart, also on our ToteScan.com/shop website. In addition to our peel and stick labels, you can also buy our downloadable labels. Those are download. You can purchase those, download them, and print them yourself. Those are available at ToteScan.com/shop, as well as an in-app purchase within the ToteScan mobile app. So I just peel off the label and place it on one of your storage totes, bins, or boxes. And make sure you've downloaded the ToteScan mobile app for either iOS or Android. It's a free download. Once you launch that app, it'll ask you for your email to register, and we'll send you a confirmation number to confirm that. You notice that we are on the My Tote screen, and you won't have any yet because you haven't just started using the system. And you want to hit that Scan ToteScan label button at the bottom, and then point the camera at the label. That will show a view of that label. At this point, it's a brand new label. You haven't used it yet, so there's no items in there. So we'll have to go ahead and put a title on that. So hit the three dots and choose to edit tote, and then set a name. In this case, we're going to do winter clothes. And then you tap on the garage, and we're going to set that location to attic. There's a whole bunch of built-in locations, and if you go to settings, you can create your own custom locations. And hit save. And so now we're back to the view of that. What we'll do is hit add item in the upper right. And then now we're in the add item step. And at the top you have a title, you have quantity you can change. There's two buttons there for adding images. One on the left is for adding it from your built-in gallery on your device, and the other one is to take a photo. And then we have a place there for the UPC barcode, and if your item has one, and then there's a description area there that you can tap onto and put an extended description if you'd like for the item. So in this case, we're showing the camera tap, and we're going to take a picture of those gloves, and we just use photo, and that photo will then appear. And you can add in multiple photos. Just hit camera again or choose from the gallery. And if you want to delete a photo at this stage, you would just tap the X. So the cover photo is the very first photo that's taken. If you need to change that, what you do is just go into this mode, either during an add item or editing the item, and you just tap and hold on the photo that you want to make the cover, and that will switch it out. And if you need to delete the photo again, just tap the X. Now at the bottom there, you'll see a scan items barcode. So let's say that your item that you're adding happens to have its own UPC barcode. You can tap that and point the camera at that barcode on your item, and we'll do a search on that. And if we find it, we'll take a title, fill the title in, and grab an image of that for you to kind of pre-populate it. If you have your own barcodes that you've created for your own, let's say you sell products on eBay or Etsy, places like that, and you just want to scan the barcode, you can just hit the scan button by itself there by the UPC field, and you tap that and it will scan the barcode and just put the code in there. Obviously it's not going to look it up because it's not a globally registered barcode. And then that barcode later, you can actually use that. You can actually search by the barcode. So if you want to quickly find one of your items, either your own custom item you've created barcodes for, or if it's a product that you're trying to add additional quantity to on a tote. And when you're all done, just go ahead and hit save. That will save the item. And this comes back to the main list of items within that storage tote. And you can continue to add more items. There's no limit to the number of items that you can add into a label. And that concludes the video for the quick start. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're available 7 days a week at support@totescan.com. Check out our other videos. We're going to go into a lot of detail on adding items and moving items, deleting, editing. A lot of topics are going to get covered. So make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube if you want to see more content. Also add us on our social media. We'll include all of those links in the description below. Thanks and have a great day.